guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a special winterish, fallish makeup look. Not fall, but winterish, December, Christmas, whatever makeup look. And I really hope you guys will like it. And if then please subscribe to be the member of our baby's family. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna tie my hair first. I'm gonna tie it first because I don't want to ruin it with a ton of creams and much like things, and I'm just gonna do like a bun thingy. So first I'm gonna prep my skin with a moisturizer because it's really important that you prep your skin with a moisturizer first. In winters, summers it doesn't affect, but also this is like a homemade moisturizer, so it is also contains glycerin in it. Glycerin makes your skin more hydrate and also make sure that your makeup stays for a longest time ever. Just blending and warming up with my hands only because hands are the best in winters. Yeah. To say tata or goodbye to the dry and chapped lips, I'm gonna use this. This is the Vase lip balm, and this is like in the raspberry. After we have added a lot of lip balms, we're gonna start with our eyes today first. So I'm gonna start with some concealer. I'm putting a lot, not lot, but concealer over my eyes to cancel about any darkness or redness around my eye. Now I'm pretty much surely defining it that my eyes would be really simple, my face would be really simple, but the lips is kind of a bit dramatic. I'm gonna blend it with the help of the fingers only because I don't prefer using any beauty blender in this case of blending the eyes. Because you really look up to it. After we finish it, I'm gonna seal it with this compact powder. This is the Maybelline super fresh compact powder, and I'm gonna take it with the help of my Vega's eyeshadow brush. Mirror. I'm gonna apply it and just conceal or set up everything, or set up the concealer. I'm almost used. We're gonna move to eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, I'm picking up this beautiful bronze color, and I'm gonna apply directly onto my lid. Like I'm just applying it as my transitional shade for it. Can you see? Oh my gosh, can you see though? That's more darker and natural, but in camera it's more lighter. It's appearing very soft color. Okay, as we finish it, I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna place just right below that, so have a beautiful transition going on. Okay, just after I finish that, I'm gonna pick up this pink color shade, and I'm gonna apply it right in the middle where I applied the both of the colors. I can see clearly how my makeup kind of look like. I really look up to this makeup look. I guess that's how it looks. Okay, so the half of the eye is done. We're gonna move to next is our face. So for BB cream, I'm using this one. If you're having like blemish and all over that, you can use a foundation, but I don't have those. Still, I'm using this BB cream. Or if you don't want to use foundation, go in your own skin because you are always beautiful in your own skin. Yeah. Taking this BB cream, a white cement face of mine. Okay, so I've blended my foundation completely. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Super Fresh Compact that I used for my setting. I know my face looks really white, but it's gonna go good after I do all the contour, blush and highlight. I'm gonna apply everywhere I need to certain coverage. Okay, now is the time for highlight. No, sorry, contour. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna apply the contouring, and this is how. Okay, so my contouring is done. Next, I'm gonna take like blush. Where's my blush brush though? Okay, so I'm gonna apply the blush now. আমি আসবো না, আমি যাবো বাইরে. Okay, I'm gonna apply the blush now, and this how we apply it. There's time for the most awaited part, which is highlight. Oh my gosh, I love highlight so much. I'm gonna put like, so my highlighting is done. Now I'm gonna take highlight. Oh, sorry, now my highlight is not done. I'm gonna apply it on my cheekbones. Very little coverage. It gives me literally very little coverage. No, very little highlight. Can you see the stroke of highlight? I know I'm a very much highlight fan, so I need a highlight really like a daily dose, and I'm gonna apply like good highlight though. Oh my gosh, the highlight is so intensifying. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm in love with this highlight, like literally, legitly, I'm in love. Can you see though? Like it's so good, so good, so good. I'm also gonna apply it onto the sides of my nose now. Technique contouring thing on my side of my nose, and I'm gonna top it up with some mascara because I am not in the mood of liner today. I think I'm gonna apply mascara a little, and not too much. I just want to show off my pretty coral color, like pretty eye coral color. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara, not too much. You can also apply false lashes, but my age is decent, so I'm really small for applying the small lashes. I don't wanna, you know. Okay, I'm gonna apply like a second time of my lip balm. Now my eyes and my face is fully done. Time for the lips now. So I'm gonna apply my Huda Beauty's lipstick in the shade Liquid Matte. And this is the shade Famous. I am. So this is my complete look. I really hope you guys liked it, and if then please like, comment and share this video to all of your friends so they can subscribe me. Agreement. So this is what I look, and I really hope you guys liked it. If then please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I really like it.